Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessley66 and today I just want to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how to put in your own eyelash extensions. And I've only done this once, so I'm definitely not a pro, but I just wanted to show you guys how I go about it. And I am using the Lux by Envy lashes. I just got them from my local beauty supply store. Hopefully I can focus in, you guys can see. But so they were maybe about $5. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making the strip lashes into individual lashes, so they'll last up to about 3 weeks instead of just one day, of course. And so pretty much what I'm going to do is I already wash my hands and stuff, so I'm just going to make sure that I clear my face. This is just a baby wipe. Okay, before I get started, I just want to show you guys the stuff that I'm using. So these are the lashes by Vlux in the style Blair, by Envy, a little Sephora mirror so you can see up close, a spoolie, glue, and scissors. So these are just the, and the little tweezers, of course, to place the lashes on the lash line. So these are just the essentials. Nothing goes on my face, especially around your eye area. So now I'm going to open the lashes. So just something very natural. I'm kind of nervous, guys. So it's been a while since I've done this. So this lash is for my right eye. Make sure you get the right eye for the lashes or they're going to be crisscross looking crazy. You guys will be able to cut exactly where the little Okay, so for example, for the first one, I'm going to cut right here. It's hard to explain, but you guys will see exactly what I'm doing. And before I start that, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue thing so I'll be able to dot the lash into glue. So like I said, I'm going to cut. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right here is pretty much getting the eyelash on the right position on the tweezer so I can carefully place it on the right spot that I want to put it on. And I would say this part is probably the most important part, is placing the eyelash in the right position on the tweezer so you can get the right angle. So right here you can see me placing the first eyelash on the most outer corner of my eye, but for the rest of them I'll be putting them under my lash line, so just keep that in mind. So right here you can see me placing the lash underneath my lash line like I was saying, and then it's important to remember that to kind of bump it up with the tweezers so that you can place it exactly where it should be on your eyelash. And right here I'm just blowing the glue to make it kind of tacky so it'll stick better. And this process is very, very time consuming and you have to have a ton of patience. And for me, I can't have that many distractions around me. It has to be silent so I can focus and I can think about what I'm doing. So if you guys have kids or anything, make sure you're home alone while you're doing this because it takes some patience. And also, I'm not gonna lie, I know this video is cut and edited, but an eyelash probably takes me 3 attempts to try to put in the right spot. Some of them fall out, it takes forever. This took me probably about an hour and a half just to get all of them to stick in the right place. So also keep that in mind. It's very time consuming and very frustrating if you're new. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through me doing this eye and the other eye because I think you guys kind of get the point. If you guys have any questions, you guys know exactly where to leave them. So I'm just going to speed through this and get through it. And hopefully you guys get the main idea of what I'm trying to do. So yeah.
Keep it low-key like Dolo, bro. Or we'll go blow the loudie. Saudi, style with Saudi. Wildin' on Pape OD. Wildin' like a coyote. If I sip any in my belly, just might be Audi. Pull up inside a buggy. Satsuki and Hunch a Dougie. I just open up a pack in an hour. I'll let my Dougie. Tonight she'll be yelling. 2 weeks she'll be yelling. Used to like orange kiss that tastes sweet to me, Tommy and Chucky. Chucky, Jesus, 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 love me. Provides
Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that song by Jessie Rise. Well, not by Jessie Rise, but sung by Jessie Rise. It's Cocoa Butter Kisses, my favorite song, and Jessie Rise is my favorite artist. But anyway, here are my lashes when I finish them. They are not that long, but they're really like really natural. And yeah, so actually I decided to fill them in like maybe like 3 days after I did them with some longer lashes. Sorry, and these are just like some lashes I had like in my makeup bag, so I just of course like cut them into individuals again and just glued them on to give it more like a full, more like dramatic look, because I feel like there's no point in doing fake lashes if you don't want them to be dramatic. But anyway, I love the way they turned out after I did this after I did this little fill-in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and here's like the final result, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I'll follow you guys back, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
Okie dokie, alky, keep it low-key like Dolo, bro. Or we'll go blow the loudie. Saudi, Saudi, wildin' up, papi, OD,